The new SoundForge Pro 14. The home of audio editing. Edit audio files with 64-bit power on up to 32 channels. Create high-definition recordings. With instant action, all essential functions are at your fingertips. Professional effects and plugins for adding final touches. Give your sound more dynamics with a variety of mastering tools, like the new iZotope Ozone 9 Elements. And remove noise with iZotope RX7 Elements. Visualize audio signals with a new wave color, or the Spectroscope. SoundForge Pro 14. Precise editing for all specialists.